Hello! In this video, we're going to learn how to find duplicates in a sheet. First, you need to open your sheet and enter some values. Once you've done that, click on a particular value and select the entire range of values you want to check. Next, go to the Format option. Here you'll find an option for Conditional Format. Click on it. On the top right corner, you'll see the Conditional Format rules. You'll notice the default applied range. Below that, there's a section for Format rules. We're going to customize these rules, so click on the drop-down menu. Look for the Custom Formula option in the drop-down. Click on it. That's what we need to use for our next step. In this step, you'll need to enter a formula for customization. Just look at the video what they're entering in the formula menu. This formula will help us find duplicates in the spreadsheet. Once entered, you can easily identify any duplicates in the sheet. Thank you.